Thinking about starting a business in California but not sure how to handle the legal part? You are not alone. A lot of beginners get stuck when they hear the terms like LLC, EIN, or state registration. It sounds complicated at first, but once you see the process step by step, it's actually very manageable. In this video, we will walk you through how to start an LLC in California, and I will show you how to do it using Taylor brand so you can follow along easily. I'm using Taylor brand because it is one of the easiest one. Before we jump into this step, let's quickly understand what an LLC actually is. An LLC or limited liability company is a business structure that separates you from your business. This means your personal finances are usually protected if something goes wrong. It is one of the most popular choices for freelancers, online businesses, and small startups because it's simple and it gives your business a more professional image. Now you are watching Easy Access Tech, where we break down tools and business processes in a simple way so you can take action faster. If you want to follow along, I have added a Taylor Brands link in the description that can help you to form your LLC easily and may include some special offer. Now let's start the process. First, just click on the Taylor brand link from the description. Once the site open, you can see there is an option form an LLC. Just click on that. Then you will be on this page. You will see there is an option choose your LLC state. From here, just select the California. So here it is. Then just click on this button, get started. Name for your business. Basically, you need to write your business name here. This will be your official LLC name. So just write down. In my case, it is Easy Access Tech. After that, you just need to click on the continue and the system will tell you if it is already taken in California. If it is, just adjust the name slightly and try again. So let's click on continue. And after that, you will answer a few basic questions about your business. So it's asking what's Easy Access Tech's industry. Now just select the industry or category of your business. In my case, it is consulting for businesses. So I'm going with this business consulting. Now clicking next. Where are you in your business journey? Are you just starting or already running your business? So you just need to choose one that is aligned with you. I'm just taking the first step. Now clicking next. Have you formed or run a business before? No, I didn't. Then I will go with this one. Like first time, you can go with that if you have your experience. Now, next. How many owners will your LLC have? Basically, it is asking if you plan to hire employees. If you are not sure yet, then you can go with this I don't know yet. Or if you have any partner or employee, then you can go with the 2+ owner. I mean, basically what is aligned for you. I'm selecting I don't know yet and clicking next. How did you discover Taylor brand? Basically, I discovered it from the Google. Now clicking next. Based on your answer, let us build your free Taylor business plan. Yes, I want the business plan. Now clicking next. Fill out information for Easy Access Tech. Okay, you just need to write your name and your phone number so that it can create your account or log in your account. Okay, I submitted my number and my name. Then it's saying keep your SSN private with EIN. EIN means employer identification number. At this step, you will see an option to get an EIN, or if you want, then you can continue using the SSN. Basically, EIN stands for the employer identification number, and it works like a tax ID for your business. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, pay taxes, and use most payment platforms. Even if you don't have employees, it's still recommended for almost every LLC. So select the get my EIN and clicking next. Keep your good standing status in California with our annual compliance. Basically, this helps you to keep your LLC in good standing by sending reminders and handling important filings required by the state. Obviously, you should select this one, keep my LLC compliant, and click next. Elevate your professional image with our branding toolkit. That means Tailor Brands Toolkit. This includes tools like a logo, domain name, website, and online store that help you to build your business presence online. So, if you want to get your business store, domain, and logos, then you can go with that. But obviously, it will charge you more. So, I don't want any website and logo or this kind of service. So, I will go with this one. I don't want. Then clicking next. Skip the line and form your California LLC even faster. Here, you can choose how fast you want your LLC filing be processed. The expedite option sends your documents to the state much faster, while the standard option takes more time, but it is usually more affordable. So I can wait for 2 weeks or more, then I will go with this one and clicking next. Establish your LLC rules with an operating agreement. Here you can create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document defines how your business is managed, including ownership, profit distribution, and basic rules for running the company. Now, if you prefer, you can skip this step and you can create the operating agreement later on your own. I will figure it myself and clicking next. Easily operate in the US by opening a business bank account. Here you have the option to open a business bank account through Mercury. This helps you to manage your business finances separately from your personal money and makes it easier to receive payments and track expenses. If you don't need a business bank account right now, you can skip this step and you can set up later. So I'm going with this one. I want a free account. Now we are at the final step where Tailor Brands shows you the plan option. This is where you review everything you selected and you can choose the plan that fits your needs before submitting your LLC application. If I click on this, see other option, you can see all of the Tailor Brand plans. You can choose between different packages depending on how much support you want for your LLC. All plans include the LLC formation, but the higher plans add faster processing and extra business tool. You can go with the basic plan or choose a higher plan if you want extra feature. Now for this video, I am selecting the essential plan. I think this one is the best value for money. So just selecting. Now you can review all of the option which we have selected. So let's say I don't want the business banking option and clicking continue to payment. Now here you need to choose the method of your payment, either it is card or PayPal. I will go with this card. Now clicking continue. Now here just write your personal information and click on this pay with card to complete the payment. After that, Tailor Brands will file your articles of organization with the state of California. Once approved, your LLC will be officially created. Once your LLC is active, the next step is to open a business bank account and keep your finances separate. This helps you to protect your personal assets and keeps everything organized. You can also start building your brand with tools like a logo or website if needed. So that's the full process of starting an LLC in California. It might seem like a big step at first, but once you break it down, it's actually very straightforward. And once your LLC is set up, you are a much stronger position to grow your business. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe Easy Access Tech, and check the description for the Tailor Brands link to get started. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Keep moving forward with your business. Bye bye.